Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and if you want to power your business, let me show you how you can do it. Now, you're thinking on powering your business, right? So why digital marketing can help you do this? Let me ask you something. Where is your online business right now? Is it in the internet? If your answer is I already have a website, then let me tell you, that's not enough. You need people to visit your website. But how? This is how you get traffic to your website. There's Google Ads, and there's Facebook Ads. When you go to Google, or when people are looking on Google for something, they use a keyword. And you can use Google Ads to appear in the paid section. If you use organic content, then you can use search engine optimization to get also in the results without having to pay to Google Ads. This is a tool named Oversuggest. This tool can show you how, using a keyword or collection of keywords, you can see the volume of search that people are looking for, also the cost per click and the difficulty for doing paid ads and for doing what is called organic positioning. All right, so this is an example. If you're looking for a catering service in Sydney, you will see that there is already some companies that are doing advertising through Google Ads. So if you want to be here, you have to use Google Ads also, and you are going to be in competition with other companies. That's how the cost per click is going to be moving up, moving down, depending on how many people are betting on that keyword. Another way to obtain more traffic is using Facebook ads. As you have already seen for sure, when you're using Facebook or Instagram, you're looking at that are maybe of interest or not for you. This is because companies are doing ads to show their service or how they can help you. There's also something very interesting that we can do, and it's called retargeting. This is when a person goes and visits your website, and then you can follow them using ads to all those people that already visit your website. They already show you that they have an intention of having your product or having your service. So this is an excellent way of getting traffic, those people that already visits you, and tell them to go again, maybe with a special offer or something like that. Look, for the same example of catering business that I showed you before, there are people that are already doing advertising in different countries, and if they are doing it, what are you waiting for? Let's make it happen. So contact Nick Marketing and I will show you how you can do it. All right. Thank you for being here. I hope you have a great day. Bye.